Alright guys, so we got a gut here on the side of my house. This bracket broke, so it's kind of just, flopping all over the place. It's a pretty simple fix. Go to Home Depot here. They sell the metal brackets. The metal brackets, you gotta have to get screws, and you're gonna have to reattach the screws. One of the screws is actually missing. They have these right here. These are only $3 a piece. There's no screws to attach to the side. It's kind of like it's spring loaded, and it kind of grooves in the grooves here on the side to hold it. So that's what I'm going to use, and you only need one screw to attach it. These parts are made in the USA as well. So to get this apart, all you're going to do is take the screws out of the side. Now this one here, it's probably a 5/16 screw here, so you need a socket or a nut driver or something to take that one out. And then behind it are just some look like they're like drywall screws. Just take those out. You need a nut driver or a regular screwdriver or a screw gun to do this, like that. And these are the screws that came out. They may be a galvanized screw, so they're not going to rust on you. And to put it back together, you're just going to have to use, like I said, we're just going to use one of these. Kind of get an idea of where you want to put it. And we're just probably going to go in the middle. There's two holes here, so we're going to probably just go in the middle of it here. See if I can let's put the screw in without the bracket first, so I can get a pilot hole, or you can go get take a drill bit if you want and probably drill it. I'll do it this way though. Do it with the screw first, just so it's a little bit easier going in for yourself there. And then, like I said, you just go ahead and just go like that. You don't want to crush it too much, because then you could deform the siding on the house. Like I said, and you just push that on there, and it sits right inside the grooves, right like that, just like that. And that's that firm that back up. So that's pretty much it, guys. Pretty simple fix. Like I say, it works pretty well. But anyway, guys, that was it. I want to say thank you. God bless. Take care and have a great day.
Everyone, today's verse of the day comes from 1 Chronicles 16:11 from the NIV. It says, "Look to the Lord and his strength. Seek his face always." All right, guys. So like I said, they're out there in life, and like I said, things are tough, and you just feel like you're weak. You just look to the Lord. The Lord will give you strength. The Lord will comfort you. The Lord should be your everything. So look to the Lord for everything, guys, and seek his face always. Thank you. God bless, and have a good day.